Let me guess. You started using AI because you wanted to save time. Instead, now you're using one tool to write posts, another to create images, another to schedule content, and somehow it's taking even longer. So when I heard Blotato AI was built around social media automation, I wasn't thinking, can it write a post? Almost every AI tool can do that now. The real question is, can it actually remove work from your day? Because that's what matters. The first thing that stands out is the workflow. Instead of bouncing between 5 different tabs, Blotato AI tries to keep your content creation process in one place. For anyone managing multiple social accounts, that's immediately interesting. Now here's where I'd slow down. Automation sounds amazing, until it starts sounding like automation. Nobody wants their LinkedIn posts, X posts, or Instagram captions to read like they were written by a robot. So don't make the mistake of hitting generate, then publish. Always read it, tweak it, add your own voice. That extra minute can make a huge difference. Another thing I like to think about is consistency. Can this tool help you publish more often without making your content feel repetitive? Because if the answer is yes, that's valuable, especially if you're running an agency, building a personal brand, or trying to stay active across multiple platforms. Here's a simple test I'd recommend. Don't use Blotato AI for one post. Use it for an entire week. Create real content, schedule it, publish it, then ask yourself, did it actually save time? Or did you spend just as long editing everything afterward? That's the answer that really matters. Features are easy to list. Time saved is much harder to fake. One thing I'd also pay attention to is how well it fits into your existing workflow. If you're already happy with your scheduling tool, your writing tool, and your analytics platform. Switching only makes sense if Blotato AI genuinely simplifies the process. Otherwise, you're just replacing one dashboard with another. So, can Blotato AI automate your social media? To a point, yes. It can help speed up planning, drafting, and organizing content. But your strategy, your ideas, and your personality, those still come from you. And honestly, that's probably a good thing. Now, I've got a question. If Blotato AI could automate one part of your social media workflow, what would you choose? Writing posts, creating captions, scheduling content, or something else? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to see which task people want AI to take off their plate the most.